Being creative means different things to different people. The science of creativity is an evolving concept, but here at the Board and Brush Creative Studio in Norman, creativity can sound like this. Being creative needs concentration, yet is freeing. Being creative can also be loud. Finally, being creative is sometimes about dabbing.
Like this. We do DIY signs where you come in and you're instructed by an instructor. She takes you start to finish to build a sign that you can put in your house or give away. It's something that makes you feel very accomplished when you're finished, because you start with a raw product and you complete it to where it's worthy of your walls when you leave.
Okay guys, I think we're ready to get started.
At Board and Brush, any age group and any level of artistic talent are welcome, and you'll find different options for groups.
We have parties, kids parties, sorority parties, bridal showers, bachelorette parties. We do team building events for corporate offices quite often. We'll also do youth group events or girls' night outs.
The process here is quite easy. There are over 300 sign options in varying sizes. You can personalize them, and very importantly, there's absolutely no need to be nervous.
They kind of come in maybe with the mindset it's a little bit more intimidating. I can't do that. I'm not that artistic.
And once you're here, the process is not only easy, but it can be rather calming.
It's great. You come, it relaxes you, and you take home something that is really pretty and it's personalized just for you. So it's awesome.
I love making something. When I go home, it doesn't look really homemade, and it's very relaxing. It's a lot of fun.
Board and Brush is for all ages, and while adults love it, kids do as well.
It's actually really fun because you get to hang out with your friends as you're making the sign, and you get to pick your own colors.
I'm making an S with my name on it.
We make the promise that everybody will leave very happy with their sign when they're done. And so definitely just bring a friend or bring family and come try it.
The end result is something everyone enjoyed doing, and it was creative fun.